Hey y'all, we are going to try out two products from the new L'Oreal Summer Belle collection. This is exclusive to Walmart from what I understand, but they have bronzers, blushes, like a body glow, and it's for your face too, but it's kind of like a shimmering, I don't even know what you call those, like a shimmering body luminizer type thing, kind of like everyone's come out with recently. And they have lip glosses. I didn't get the like illuminator because they had two shades, light, medium, and medium deep, and the medium deep still wasn't even dark enough for me. So I skipped on that. They didn't have the lip glosses. I was so sad about that, but they did have these beauties. I got a bronzer and I got a blush, and you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, these babies are good. So if you want to see how beautiful these are, then subscribe, click that bell, and let's get into it. I've legitimately been sitting here for like 15 minutes trying to get these open. So now that we finally have them open, this is the Bronze Please in the shade 4, and this is super big. Remember the ones that L'Oreal came out with last year or the year before? The True Match Lumi Bronze It bronzer? Like, this guy is a smidge bigger. This one has 0.41 and this one has 0.63. So it is significantly bigger. The reason I was so excited about this is because this True Match Lumi Bronze It bronzer in shade 3 is my favorite bronzer of all time. All time. Like, I don't hit pan, and I have hardcore hit pan on this. I don't have any other product that I've literally hit pan on, period, in my whole collection. This is my favorite bronzer. So, I'm excited to try this. I'm going to grab a Sonia Kashuk brush, and I love the imprint in this. Like, it is so beautiful. I love that. And apparently this is exclusive to Walmart. So just overlook my wet crazy hair, and we are gonna start putting this baby on the face. It's looking a little bit patchy. So I'm gonna grab a different brush, and I didn't set this super well, so it definitely could be me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start stamping this. If I don't set my makeup and it's still a little tacky, that's how I do it. I just stamp it instead of rubbing it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that's just my foundation underneath still being a little wet, a little tacky. Yeah, I'm really liking this shade so far, you guys. Like, that looks beautiful. Bare side, beautiful. All right, let's do this other side. And one thing that kind of confused me was they had shade 1, shade 2, and then this one is 4. Like, they just skipped 3 altogether, and they don't have a 3. I even looked. It's just 1, 2, and 4. So be aware, if you're looking for shade 3, you're gonna be looking for a while because there isn't one. Now, the difference in this one and the other one that I love so much, this one is matte, and the other one has some shimmer in it, but I like tap off my brush really well to not have shimmer in it. But I am loving this color. Try to make this 5 head look like a 3 head. That's always the goal. So how has everyone been? Let me know down below. Let me know if you guys have seen this collection at Walmart yet. Mine did not have the lip glosses yet, or they didn't have them out. So I was kind of bummed about that. But I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying their summer. It is miserably hot here, like miserably hot. It's been like almost 100 degrees with 100% humidity. So it's been fun. All right, so this is a face and body bronzer, which I always bring my bronzer onto my neck. My neck doesn't tan very well with my big Mexican head sitting on top of it. It just, you know, shades it from the sun. So we always have to bronze up the neck. It looks so pretty so far. Man, I'm really liking it. I knew I would. I knew I would. And this is $15 and the blush is $10. And that is pretty pricey, but you're getting a good amount of product. Like I said, the other L'Oreal bronzer is my flippin' favorite, so I will pay that all day, every day. So here's the bronzer. I think it looks beautiful, honestly. No patchiness after I started to push it in. More than likely, it's just my foundation. So I will keep you guys updated. I'll let you know. I'll wear this again tomorrow, and I guarantee you I love it. So I'm going to swatch these two just to see if they're close in tone. The new one doesn't have as much of a red undertone as the other one, but they are pretty similar. This is the true match and this is the new one. You can see there it's not as red. Now for the blush. This is Blush Please. They had 2 shades in this. It says Shimmering Blush. This is in the shade 12, Blushin' in Saint Tropez. So this was more of the peachy too. The other one was much more pink, even though this looks pretty pink on camera. All right, I'm gonna use that same Sonia Kashuk brush. Whew, lots of powder. Lots of powder. And then we're gonna do kind of a smile and tap her right into the cheek. It gives you a natural glow. Wow, that is pretty, you guys. That is so pretty. You see this side to this side. Wow. I don't normally take my blush all the way in, so I'm just kind of tapping it right there, and it's stinking beautiful. I'm gonna grab a different brush. All right, this is an Ulta blush brush. I don't know why I have such trouble saying blush and brush. And I'm going to do the same, tapping it into the skin. I'm going to take it up pretty high where it gives you that super natural glow. I know, I'm going to be obsessed with both of these products, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love it. I can already tell you, I recommend these. But I'm going to go off camera, finish up the face, and I'll be right back to tell you guys how much I love these, even more than I have. Okay guys, this is our finished look. I love the way the face looks. I love the way this turned out. There's a friggin' fly flying around in here. I'm fixing to get angry. So, sorry if you can see that, but yes, I love the way these look. I highly, highly recommend them. There's only 2 blush shades. This one's the peachier of the 2. If you like either of them, totally grab it. I will say there is visible glitter on my face. And for some reason, I just love this so much, I don't mind it. Normally, I'm not a fan of glitter on the face at all. But I love this. Like, immediately, I love this. I know these are products that I'm going to use all the time. Same with the bronzer. Adore it. I love it. It's going to be right up there with the other. That is my absolute favorite. I'll probably mix them. I love this, you guys. And I highly recommend, if you see a shade that you like, grab it. Like I said, this is a Walmart exclusive, so you can only get it there. Luckily, I have a Walmart really close to me. But, what was I going to say? I swear I've done so many videos today, I'm totally losing my train of thought. I got nothing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have a giveaway going on right now for a Milani palette. So hop on over to that video if you guys want to enter. I hope you guys are having a great day. And see, I just lose it as I'm talking. I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.